Okay, ma. If you are having any queries regarding this today's session, you just ask now to clear your doubts. If you are having any queries, text me in a chat box. If you are having any doubts in this Python entire session from since first day to this sixth day, if you are having any doubt regarding classes, you just ask me. I will explain you clearly. And by tomorrow, we are entering to logic programming with the. Before we go into logical programming deeply, we'll have an how to define a class, how to define and user defined function, defining function, and this dictionaries generators. We are having those concepts which is basic beginners. Okay, once you revise control statement. Okay, ma'am. While control statements are while and loops. You'll you'll get an idea by using only a program. See, in control statement, we'll specify first by using a slide. You get this control statement. Look here. What my definition I have explained you is we specify a start value in an object and the end value in a loop. See what I'm giving you, x equals to 0 is my start point, and now I need to print by using for n in x. I have used new object to store a value. Print n. Print n. See, will take a 9. Will for I have taken x equals to 0 is my main object. I have created an instant object to store a value, and I have used okay iteration statement. This week, ma, I will show you with an example with the while loop example, which I have for loop I need to show you. Why? Because with an example only you will get an idea. Without an example, you won't get an idea. X equals to 10 is wrong. See, if I take it x as 10, we won't get an output. Why? Because syntax error, which is int object. I have taken int object. See, ma, see a screen, see in a screen. X is equals to 10. Okay, as you said that x equals to 10. Integer is not iteratable. Integer is not iteratable by using a for loop. In Python, integer is not iteratable by using then print x now. Yes, we can print x. We can simply print an x. See, we'll get an idea. We'll get an output. If we take here as a range function 0, 9, and 2, see, if you want to integer data to be print as an value in by using for loop, we can use a range method range method to print an integer data type as an output in a for loop. Why? Because integer is not a without range method. Okay, without range method, integer is not iteratable. Integer value is not iteratable in a for loop. In that case, we are specifying range. You are not getting my point, Nikita. What I'm saying is, it's not. In the case, we are using range to print an output. Control statement. I'll explain you. Here, I specified a value. I haven't. I'll take this an example for loop, which I used in all the previous session. I have taken tuples. I have taken a tuples data structure for y in x, y equals to king. If y equals to king, break. If y equals to king exists in x value, in x data structure, it prints y value. So what will be the output? Means location by using for loop, we can print y. See ma in Python, see what the main thing which I need to say you right now means in Python we can't print a single data type value. By using a data structure, we can print the values. Here, I can print an integer value by using a data structure. By using a data structure set also. See, I can print now. See, I can print it. See, 40, 30, and 10. By using here n dot sort method, print n, I'll get a sorted array. Huh? Oh, sorry. I need to specify this method here. X dot sort. X dot set. Set has not no adding. Okay, to sort In set also we are not having. To sort a set values, we need to have a conversion of data structure into a list to sort an elements. Then after we need to convert to a previous, which is set to sort an elements. As I said that set is not updated, unchangeable, immutable condition. Sort is an immutable data type. Immutable means which we can't change a value, change or any kind of update operation. We can only perform read operation. We cannot perform write operations in a set. We we can just print the values by using a data structures which are data types and which is also known as data structures in a while case we are using a specified data structure which is specified values. Okay, again any query? Any queries, ma? By tomorrow we are having a session regarding dictionaries, generators, dictionaries and dictionaries we have completed, no? Sorry, constructors, generators and so on. How we need to pass a parameters, how we need to pass an argument. By tomorrow we'll successfully complete this session. Then after we'll have an two programs, an example. Then after we'll have simple exams and I will by tomorrow we'll complete our session and we'll discuss about only a programs, how to specify, how to solve a program, how to solve a questions, how to convert a C program into Python program, symbol, C language program, C++, Python, Java programs, conversions of another programming language, another language programs to Python. We'll have three classes. Then after I will have a simple mini project like web development. I'll show you how to start a web development by using Python programming. Okay, if you are having any queries, text to me in chat box. I will explain you clearly. Or else we can wind up session here. Wind up session. Vani, Vani, having any doubt? You can unmute your mic.
No, sir.
Are you getting the classes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Is it fine to understand this complete classes through programming?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Nayana having any query? You can unmute your mic. Nayana,
No, sir.
are you getting programs, how to execute, how to define, how to code? Yeah. Yeah, okay, ma. If now we'll wind up a session here. We'll end the session now. Okay, thank you all, ma.